In this video, you'll learn what background information is and why you need it. What is background information? It's general information about a topic. It's important because it shows you what your topic is all about in a way that's easy to understand. It also gives you the big picture about your topic, which you need when you begin your research. You should look for background information as soon as you have a research topic and before you look for other sources. There are a couple of reasons why you should start with background information. The first reason is scholarly language. Scholars use the language of their discipline and write for other scholars. If you're new to a subject, reading scholarly journal articles could be a challenge for you. For example, these excerpts from journal articles in economics, history, and nursing show how daunting scholarly language can be. Reason number 2, background information helps you find keywords, related concepts, and subject terms that pertain to your research topic. These will make your searches for books and journal articles quicker and more powerful, and will also help you to understand what scholars are discussing in their journal articles. Here's an example. Kangaroo, the research topic in the center oval, has connections to the keywords and related concepts around it. Marsupials and mammals are groups that kangaroos are part of. Australia is the geographic location where kangaroos are found. Joey refers to a young kangaroo, while wallaby describes a type of kangaroo. If you need help or have any questions, ask a library staff member.